Hi, welcome all of you to our channel FRC NAB. Today we have a very special event, football tournament at Vasantdada Patil Turf. So let's move towards Vasantdada Patil Turf at Chembur.
Please come to NAB. We have various activities over there. Come to see and get yourself involved. Mr. Subhas Kamni, Honorary Secretary.
Actually, we wanted to organize a demo match played by the visually impaired players, but due to some avoidable reasons, they could not come. But let us hope we'll have a special match in future, and definitely we wish you all the best for this event. Please do visit our website and visit our organization.
Good morning, friends. This is Umesh Deshpande on behalf of National Association for the Blind. We are here at Vasantdada Patil Turf, and we have dignitaries from Leo Club Garudia Nagar, Neil and Rishant. They are the chairpersons of this club, and we will be asking them few questions. What is the intention of organizing this event and selecting NAB India as their donning partner?
So basically, the reason why we joined Leo was because we wanted to contribute and do our part for the society and the community. And this was a fellowship plus service event. We wanted to be a fun event as well and give our contribution towards the blind as well.
Thank you. Thank you very much for selecting National Association for the Blind as your partner. Thank you very much. Now we have Shweta ma'am with us, so we will ask her feelings and why she was involved in organizing all this event. Shweta.
Hello, I am Leo Shweta Sajnani from Leo Club of Bombay Garudia Nagar. I am the president of the club, and the main aim of organizing this activity is कि एक तो हमारी community साथ आ सके और दूसरा कि आपकी भी community हमारी community के साथ join हो सके. So one idea is fellowship and one idea is service. The idea of fellowship is कि बच्चे साथ में आ सके और समझ सके कि आज सर्विस भी कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. जितना खेलकूद इम्पॉर्टेंट है उतना ही किसी को डोनेट करना या किसी नीडी के साथ अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो दिस वाज द मेन आइडिया ऑफ डूइंग दिस फन फेलोशिप एंड सर्विस. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much, Shweta. Thank you very much. Yeah, now we have Herin, the Vice President of Leo Cup Garudia Nagar with us, and we'll ask his opinion about this event.
So it was basically a fantastic event, and we are looking forward to keep a match where your people, basically the blind community, can have a match and we can learn from them that how they play, how they have their daily survival. Because when we can see everything, it feels really sad when someone is not able to see what we are able to. So it's just our duty to help them in whatever we can, and we can connect with them. That would be a great opportunity for us.
Definitely, we will have a planning that team of NAB India and a team of your football players, and we will have a demonstration match for that. Definitely in very soon time we will have this match.
Sure, sir. We'll arrange it as soon as possible from our end also, and we'll connect with you for it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now we have Samir of Leo Club with us, and we will have his opinion and about all this fundraising drive from Samir. Samir?
Hello everyone, this is Leo Samir Veera from Leo Club Bombay Garudia Nagar. I am the service director for the club. So I am very proud to announce that we are going to donate entire fund in the kind to National Association for the Blind India as a food grain to for the needy ones. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now I would request our executive director Pallavi Kadam to have her opinion.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the Leo members, all their office bearers over here. They have taken a wonderful initiative of organizing this football play, and what announcement Mr. Sameer made, it's really worth. Actually, after pandemic, we were facing lot of problems, and our self-employed blind brethren were facing problems. They have lost their job, and monthly food grain is a problem. So this will be of a great help. I would once again thank the Leo members and wish them all the best, and wish to have long association with National Association for the Blind India. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. आपको अगर नायब इंडिया की एक्टिविटीज़ अच्छी लगती हो तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और शेयर करिए। धन्यवाद।